this was your favorite, your current favorite. But why don't you tell us about what another favorite cover that you shot with?
I think it was my last cover. You guys, it was a June fashion show. And there was a great contrast. One was beautiful looking gown and the other one was this like costume. And picture and raw costume. And what was amazing about it was that it was dirty and sexy at the same time. I was the complete opposite of this cover, but at the same time it was really nice. Every time I've done a work shoot, it's never been like the last, and they've all been different, so I hope it's quite amazing.
So tonight, as I was said, is about empowering women, and that is the cause that world is moving towards. If you had one superpower, if you were God and you were allowed to give the women of India one superpower, how would you empower them?
You know, I think women in India already have superpowers within them, but if I were God, which isn't very far off.
I mean, you got for a woman, we said that when we were dying.
Yeah, I think it would be like I think it's look at everything with a positive point of view, be positive about everything, and the other one would be like great self-defense techniques. You already have the bonus of anyone comes next to you like.
And make karate chop and like ready.
What am I wearing? I hope I'm making headlines for all the right reasons and not the wrong ones. So that's always a scary thing. But I'm wearing this beautiful shirt dress by Ilk, and I was very convinced I was going to come here to shop and not to walk the red carpet. So I wanted to look like a shopper today. It's been amazing. I got some amazing clothes. I have to say that I broke the queue and I was a bad citizen, but it's a fashions night out. There are no rules at all. It's exactly on how you're feeling, and I feel it's very important to just dress the way you feel, and you know, you're allowed to break rules because they aren't any rules as such. The picture comes out and you always feel like the pictures inside are better than the ones that get printed on the cover. But yeah, it's fun, and not everything you see in a fashion magazine is true, and I have good and bad days with the way I look, and I don't wake up looking like what I do on a magazine cover, so I'm just going to be honest.
50% off, and my mom's always like 50% off is not free. I was like, yeah, but it's 50 off. When will I ever get it again? But yeah, I'm gonna go and see this. I know he was actually we were in Delhi, and I've actually come straight from the airport, and I was launching my cover, and he said, "मैं क्या करूँगा mall में?" So I was like, "आ जाओ हम साथ, you know, खूबसूरत photo op," and he's like, "नहीं, मैं थक गया."
Well, we're actually looking for Fanny. We're looking to have some fun, but I think most importantly, we're here to spread awareness about women's empowerment. To begin with, I think it's a very sad situation when, as a woman, we have to actually ask that it's something that we have to discuss. Having said that, I think the fact that we should be able to live our lives the way we want to without any fear, to be able to speak our minds, to express ourselves the way we want to, wear the kind of clothes we want to, keeping our culture and tradition in mind. Because I do respect the fact that we're Indian, we've been brought up a certain way, which is very, very unique to our country, and I love that. I love the fact that as Indians, when we go abroad, we stand out from the rest. So keeping that in mind, as long as we can live our lives the way we want to and be expressive about our thoughts. Well, I'd like, this is actually precisely why I don't like to celebrate Women's Day or Valentine's Day, because I don't believe that there should be one specific day to celebrate this. We as women should celebrate ourselves every single day, feel confident about ourselves, never fear anything. That's my take on it.
I think if we stop discussing it and looking at it like that, it will also enhance the fact that women deserve to be given more than equality. I think women have the stronger gender. They're the more sensitive, more sorted, more emotionally coherent gender. It's unfortunate that we have to, like she's saying, we have to even talk about it to this extent. Women deserve everything and more. Firstly, I think in our country, most importantly, something that we need to look at is respecting women, which happens very, very seldom. So that is the first thing. Forget anything else. I think men should learn how to respect each and every woman in this country. Forget anything else. So that is the most important thing. Forget films. Forget anything in society, in life, how to conduct yourself with a certain dignity with women. That is what every man should try and learn.
Thank you.